Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an outdoor ceiling fan. We're going to tie it into a existing light, and we're going to flush mount it, and I'll let you know as we go step by step what we're doing. First we're going to measure center on this ceiling up here, and we're going to mount it directly on center. Alright, so right now we found center, and I'm going to mark it, and we're going to mount the fan bracket right to the ceiling because we need as much room as we can get, and then flush mount it. Okay, so in order to put the bracket on the ceiling up here, we're going to use these toggle bolts. So we're going to put them through the ceiling like this. They go through the ceiling, flip open, and they'll hold the weight of the fan. Alright, so this is the bracket that's going to go up on the ceiling. We put two bolts through it with double washers to make it strong, and this is just going to basically get squeezed and go up into the ceiling, just like that, if you can see it. Hold on a second. Okay, we're going to put it up into the ceiling, like so, and then we're going to tighten it up. You can hang off this thing, strong. Okay, so now we're going to put the ceiling fan up. The ceiling fan has 3 different height options. We're going to go flush mount, so we're not going to use these rods to hang it that come in the kit. You can see those. We're going to flush mount it with this, and we're going to screw it now to this base right here, and then we'll get back up on the ceiling. Okay, so that's the base screwed on, nice and tight, ready to hang. Okay, so in order to make this work outdoors and up on the ceiling with a surface mount and surface mount wiring, we're going to put a hole in the side of the fan here, and we're going to use one of these plastic mounts that you put the wire through, but we're going to have to alter it to fit in. So I cut it down like this, and now you can squeeze it and make it smaller, if you can see that. I know the sun's kind of bright, but there it is. Okay, so right here you can see I drilled out the side a little bit to get the wiring through so we can surface mount it. And then we're going to use this to run the wires through against the ceiling, because the ceiling is solid with foam and you can't run wires through that ceiling. Okay, so we wired up the fan motor. White goes to white. We got the ground down there grounded to the body, and we got the black and the blue. One's fan and one is for the light to the hot line. Then we're going to put the fan up, and we're going to run this line across the ceiling and cover it with this. Okay, this stuff right here is for surface mounting electric. Right, it's called Coordmate 2, and it has this little gizmatic right there. How you can do it. Okay, now we're gonna put it back up now, right there. Fan body is up, and we're going to run the electric line towards the house in the cover, and then we'll put the blades on, and then we'll hook it onto full power. Okay, so as you can see, we put wire up on the ceiling, and we hit it all the way to the fan, and now we're going to hook it into the house. We got it up behind the soffit. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. Fan body is up. The electric line is going across the porch ceiling, behind the soffit, and coming over to the light. We're going to use this light switch on the inside to control the fan. So when the outside light's on, you can turn the fan on with the pull strings. That's Brother Joe. Okay, so now we're going to put the fan blades on and get the fan blades as well as the light kit up. That way it's ready to go, and then we'll take wall light and we'll run the wiring inside the wall right about there. Okay, so now we're going to put the fan blades on. So for the fan blades, basically they line up to the 3 holes like so, and we put the 3 screws in. Also, if you're going to attempt to put one of these fans outdoors, make sure it's an outdoor fan. See, like these blades are plastic so that the weather won't make them bend or, you know, warp when it's wet outside. Okay, so now we're going to put the blades up. Okay, the blades are up now. Light kit is next. So the light kit itself has these 2 plugs. Black goes to black, white goes to white. Pretty simple. There you go, the light itself is done. Looks pretty good. And now we're going to finish the electric. Now we'll finish hooking this up we'll hide this wire and we're going to hook into this light. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. We ran the wire down, through, and outside the box to tie in. So now we'll cover the wire on the ceiling and we're going to hook up the light.
We'll be lighting up soon.
I just want to say DIY Dad did it. The electrician said it couldn't be done. Alright, so now we're putting the bulbs back and we'll test it out. Turn the power on. Again.
It don't even shake.
Alright, so there you go. Working good. Even got your house light on. There it is. DIY outside light hooked into the fan.
No, it's not even shaking at all.
And there it is. Another job well done by DIY Dad. Hey guys, I got a quick DIY. I got an issue with birds getting into a bathroom vent. So I purchased this cage to go over the vent. And I'll see if I can see it in the background right here. I'll zoom in on it right there. And I'm going to put the cage over it. So just a quick thing, something to stop the birds. I had a bird go in there. Bird went all the way into the bathroom, got into the fan. Fan blew out because the bird was stuck in it, died up there. I thought the fan blew, take the fan down, dead bird. So just so we don't kill any more birds, we put the cage over it. I'm going to get some screws, climb up there, and I'm probably just going to put 2 screws on the top, on the frame around the vent. I really don't want to put holes in my siding, so I'm just going to put up with two screws. So that's it. Quick DIY. Birds don't get in there anymore. Everybody's happy. Alright guys, we got another episode of What's in Your Garage. For today, it's not a tool. For today, I'll tell you what it is. It's a dartboard. Every garage needs a dartboard. You need to stop, think, throw a couple darts. That's what you need. On the door, we got ourselves a dartboard. If you need something to get your significant other, a little gift, maybe something for Christmas, birthday, Father's Day, I think every man would appreciate a dartboard. Alright guys, that's it for today for What's in Your Garage. I'll see you all next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching and take care. Take 3. We're recording.
You fast forwarded, man.
No, people will slow it down and watch you do that.
No. Yeah. So people say I look like Uncle Festa.
That's not gonna go on the video.
Still on?
Yep.
Back.
Oh shit. That was a blooper. We must have hit a gas line.
Now we see what's in the family.
Gas line.
Oh shit. 3 clowns.
Oh!
There's gonna be a lot of footage on the cutting room floor.
Give me this.
Another job well done by DIY Dad.
I better stand over here so he doesn't fall. You didn't just drop the screw. Oh my god. I'll be the backup.
How is that gonna help me from falling?
Well, if you're gonna fall, I'll just go over there and catch you. We'll both go down. You could land on those things that you love so much, those plants. Oh my god, I hate that ladder. It's so wobbly.